Hello to our standard students, welcome back to chapter 2 complex numbers. Today we are going to see example 2.3 based on the conjugate of complex numbers. Write 3 plus 4i by 5 minus 12i in the x plus I form. This is called as the rectangular form or the standard form for the complex numbers. Okay, hence find its real and imaginary part. So after writing it as x plus iy, you are going to write the real part separately and imaginary part separately. Okay, so I have taken and written this one 3 plus 4i by 5 minus 12, but in the denominator you should not get this I. So to eliminate this I, now we are going to use our conjugate property. Okay, what are we going to do? We are going to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. What is the conjugate? It is nothing but 5 plus 12i. So both the numerator and the denominator you are going to do the same thing. Okay, so whenever you write the conjugate, we are going to change the sign for the imaginary part alone. Remember that. Okay, so now the next step is going to be you have to multiply these two. As far as the denominator is concerned, this is going to be a plus b into a minus b. We have already discussed. As far as the imaginary part is concerned, you are going to get it as a square plus b square. How do you get this b square? Here you will have this I square, and that I square will give you minus 1, and the formula you have got one minus. So minus 1 into minus will give you plus b square. So you can automatically multiply the numbers and write it in plus form. Okay, denominator, as far as denominator you follow this one. For the numerator you are going to follow this rule. Okay, because we are multiplying two complex numbers, isn't it? So 3 plus 4i, this one and this one. Okay, so what is going to be our first real part into real part is going to be 3 into 5, it is going to give you 15, and then plus next one imaginary into imaginary, 4 into 12 is going to give you 48i square, and the next one real into imaginary is going to give you 3 into 12i, that is going to give you 36i, and the next one plus 4i into 5 is going to give you 20i, and this I square is going to give you minus 1. So you are going to get it as, and I will write the denominator as 5 square plus 12 square. Okay, so now this is going to become as 15 minus 48, since I square equal to minus 1. You have to always remember this. Okay, and combining these two, 36 and 20, you are both have got the same sign, so you are going to add it as 56i. Okay, by the denominator is going to be 25 plus 144. So after subtracting these two, what are you going to get? 48 minus 15 is going to give you minus 33 plus 56i, by the denominator is going to be 169. So when you separate this, minus 33 by 169 plus 56i, you can put it in the center by 169. This is of the form x plus iy, which is the standard form or the rectangular form. So now you have got the real part separately and the imaginary part separately. So you are going to write it as real z equal to minus 33 by 169 and imaginary z equal to 56 by 169. This is going to be our final answer. Okay, thank you.